Hi, my name is Dennis and today we'll check out this Hisense built-in oven with a 77-liter capacity and 22 different cooking modes. This oven is the newest from Hisense and performance-wise it's a real rock star. Because of its even bake technology, it ensures equal temperature and precise control. Everything you put in this oven is cooked evenly thanks to its slightly rounded large cavity, which together with strategically positioned special heaters enables excellent and even hot air distribution. This means everything you make in this oven will be crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Big glass doors and amazing interior illumination enable you to check on your food anytime without opening the door and letting out hot air. It has one of the fastest preheat programs on the market, reaching the temperature of, let's say, 200 degrees in well under 5 minutes. A light and sound signal informs you when the desired temperature is reached. See this little water tank here? This means that this oven has the Steam Add Plus program. Besides offering everything that a standard oven does, this oven will add steam to your baking when you want to by simply pressing the Steam Add Plus button. Before cooking, just add water into the water tank on the control panel, and once the steam symbol on the display lights up, press the button and steam will be released into the cavity. It will make your bread, pastry and croissants golden, crisp on the outside and airy on the inside. You can also use it on your roast or chicken to make it crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. If you're in the mood for a real Italian pizza, this oven has you covered. With pizza mode, it easily reaches a maximum temperature of 300 degrees, and with excellent heat distribution, you'll enjoy your pizza in no time. Another great program is Air Fry. Say goodbye to deep fried chicken wings with fries and their calories and welcome the healthier version using less or even no oil. Now you can make low-fat meals and healthier food with air frying directly in your Hisense oven without having to buy an additional kitchen appliance. If you don't want to think too much about setting the temperature time, different heaters, you can use one of the 22 preset automatic programs like apple pie, roast beef, lasagna, vegetable souffle, and much more. Just select a dish, input its weight, and the oven will do the rest. It's ideal for beginners and those who don't particularly enjoy cooking, but we don't want to keep away any chefs, so there's also a very useful food sensor in the oven, so you can always monitor the internal temperature of your meat and always get it right. And you know, and I'm sure you do know, how a ton of recipes require last-minute changes to temperatures and how you usually miss that, right? So there's this multi-phase cooking feature designed exactly for this case. Before you press start in the oven, you can now set in advance any change in temperature and heaters in special time intervals. So when it's time, the oven will automatically change the settings, leaving you free until it's time to eat. You can remove any splashes or grease stains with the pyrolytic self-clean function using up to 500-degree heat to eliminate grime. To ensure safety, the oven is locked during and immediately after the cleaning process, and when it cools off, you just have to wipe away any residue left with a damp cloth. This oven is also super user-friendly with its telescopic guides, and getting things out of the oven is much easier. And it also has soft close doors where all you need is a gentle touch for this door to fully close and open without making a sound. This oven is made entirely in Slovenia, in Europe, and it's built to last. So thanks for watching.